She stole a smile and my heart responded. She's everything I never knew I wanted.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have this ACEFAST ACEFIT Pro, a pair of earbuds blending style, safety and sound quality into one innovative package. With features like night safety mode, ultra comfortable design and customizable lighting effects, these earbuds aim to stand out. Let's break it down and see if they live up to the hype. Before we start the video, one request. Yeah, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Feel the magic when we touch. Yeah, still get that first time feeling rush. She's laid back and casual. A real homebody, it's wonderful.
ACEFIT Pro features a unique open-ear design that combines aesthetics and functionality. The supermolecular liquid silicone construction ensures durability while maintaining a lightweight feel at just 7.6 grams. The 0.7 mm titanium wear ear hooks provide a secure fit without added bulk, making these earbuds ideal for extended wear. The transparent case, coupled with the high-level G2 curvature, adds a modern and sleek touch. Available in vibrant colors like Gentian Violet and Sakura Pink, the AceFit Pro caters to a variety of style preferences. Built to endure active lifestyle, these earbuds promise both form and function for everyday use. The AceFit Pro prioritizes user comfort with its ergonomic fit and pressure-free design. The flexible materials conform gently to the ear, ensuring a snug but breathable feel, even during long hours of use. Unlike traditional in-ear models, the open-ear design promotes situational awareness, keeping users connected to their surroundings. Perfect for glasses wearers, the ear hooks are designed to minimize interference. Whether you are walking, commuting, or enjoying an outdoor run, the AceFit Pro delivers all the comfort without compromising stability. This blend of comfort and practicality makes it a versatile choice for both casual users and fitness enthusiasts. AceFit Pro packs several innovative features, setting it apart from its competitors. The industry-leading night safety mode uses dual-ear LED lights with a 40 LED matrix, ensuring visibility up to 10 meters in the dark. Perfect for night running or cycling, it's a standout feature for safety-conscious users. The AceFast app offers customization options for the charging case lights, with 8 effects to match personal style. These earbuds also feature a powerful 3-magnet sound unit with a 20 mm by 8 mm large speaker for rich, immersive audio. Combined with ultra-large 0.5 mm amplitude, these technical upgrades aim to deliver an outstanding experience. The sound quality of the AceFit Pro is impressive, thanks to its 3-magnet superlinear speaker system. The 20 mm by 8 mm drivers deliver clear mids, crisp highs, and a deep bass response, making these earbuds suitable for various music genres. The ultra-large 0.5 mm amplitude enhances audio detail, ensuring distortion-free playback even at higher volumes. This combination provides a full-bodied sound experience that rivals many premium models. Sound leakage is minimal, offering a private listening experience without sacrificing quality. For customization, yeah, I have already mentioned, there is a companion application, AceFast app, which includes equalizer settings, allowing users to fine-tune the audio to their liking. Whether it's podcasts, EDM, or classical, the AceFit Pro ensures an immersive experience tailored to the user's need. The AceFast AceFit Pro offers up to 10 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's great. And it becomes massive with the charging case, because with the charging case, it offers up to 30 hours of playtime. The fast charging feature provides an additional 2 hours of use from just a 10-minute charge. Battery optimization ensures consistent performance, whether we are using them during workouts or long commutes. This reliability makes the AceFast Pro a dependable companion for extended listening sessions. With its efficient charging and long lasting battery life, these earbuds meet the demands of users who prioritize uninterrupted audio experiences. Well, I'm in love with this set of earbuds, AceFast AceFit Pro. It's not only because it performs, but also it comes with the newest technologies. It supports Bluetooth 5.4, and in this studio there are many different rooms, there are a lot of walls, yet I've managed to use this from one corner of this studio to another corner. That's like more than 15 meters with at least two barriers. I mean, two walls in between. That really means it comes with a great connectivity. Well, that's all about this AceFast AceFit Pro. Okay, I need to mention it's launching on Kickstarter and the super early bird price is really super cool. I've left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this AceFast AceFit Pro. But before you go, one request. Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention, beautiful soul.